In speaking with a number of superintendents across the country, we heard three main obstacles in the day-to-day operation of their course: tracking equipment and labor, how long it takes to complete tasks, and handling secondary tasks while golfers are on the course. The purpose of FairwayIQ is to solve these challenges and help superintendents know exactly where their time and money are being spent. Utilizing the FairwayIQ dashboard, you'll get an eagle-eye view of your course that allows you to track your equipment real-time so that you know where your staff is and what tasks they are performing. As you can see here, all equipment, both active, inactive, and idle, is displayed on an easy-to-use interface that allows you to see current and previous locations via the time travel feature. This allows you to track labor progress throughout your course and help you to tackle, redirect, or assign new tasks throughout the workday. For superintendents looking for more robust reporting, the FairwayIQ platform tracks daily active and completed tasks so that you know exactly how much time tasks take to complete so that you can make adjustments and help improve upon maintenance operations. You can view this data via the task view, where you'll get a complete breakdown of active and completed tasks for the day, or via the asset, where you can hone in and see task time, task efficiency, and mow patterns. As the day progresses, understanding where and when to send staff back into play in a manner to not interfere with golfers becomes a challenging task. When coupled with FairwayIQ for golf pros, superintendents are able to get a real-time visual of golfers on the course and have insight into the appropriate parts of the course to work on. As you can see here, with golf operations, we know where players are on the course at any given time. This has been a bit about FairwayIQ and questions we've heard from superintendents. Please reach out with additional thoughts and questions, and thank you for your time.